Do you want to change your default browser in Windows 11? You are in luck, as in this episode, we will show you some easy ways to do that. For a more in-depth look, be sure to check out the article in the description. The easiest way to change the default browser is to first install the new browser. Then, when you open it, it will automatically ask you to set it as the default browser. Simply click on Make Primary Browser. Then there are ways to do this in Settings. Open Settings, then go to Apps. Scroll to Default Apps. Go to the browser that you want to set as the default. You should see at the top, make whatever browser it is your default browser. Click on Default. Or you can scroll down the list of default file types or link types. For instance, HTML and HTML. Click on the arrow, and then just change from the current default browser to the one that you want to make the default browser. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.